Okay, YouTube, this is the YouTube appreciation team, and today we are about to go out and record a nature scene for 10 minutes to show our deep appreciation for YouTube. Oh, hello, Jake. Any minute now we'll find some nice animal to record. Eek, spiderweb. Another one. God. Sorry. Don't get me wrong, I'm not scared of spiders, but I sure don't want to be in a web. I'm not scared of those either. Ugh. I just heard something. You know, there's a coyote in here. My mom said she saw it the other day. I don't think we'll be seeing it, but it'd still be cool to get a video of a coyote. I just hope they're not aggressive. The dogs here have been barking at it a lot. I'm serious, they've just been going, Can I get that on tape? Spiderweb. I almost walked right into it. What was that? I don't know if you can see the spiderweb. I don't think you can, but I can kind of pick it up. Oh well. I'm done with that. I wish it was winter. I could actually find something. Oh! Eek. Oh. Here comes our little happy camper. Oh, he's walking away. I'm sorry. I don't know how I'm going to get past that big spider web, but I don't want to break it. So I guess I'll do my best. I don't want to go through it. I forgot about that tree that fell. I'm going to have to walk. I'm going to get so many ticks. God, I wish it was winter. Spider web, big one! I don't want to get a spider on me. Sorry about that. And don't get me wrong, I really am not scared of spiders. Even if it seems that way. Eek! Another one. God, I have web all over me. I hate to come through this. I hope we'll run into a snake or something. instead of just my dogs. God, I hate to step through this. All the tons and tons of ticks. Sorry. Ugh. I hope that's not poison ivy. Ugh, another web. Ugh. Hoping to find some bug to record or something. Is that a bug on me? LOL. A bug just got caught in the spider web on my finger. Oh, here a bee. I'm really not scared of them. You can ask the other members of the YouTube appreciation team. Here's my favorite part of the trail. Another spider web. I need a stick. I'm sorry. I hate tearing them down. But I hate walking through them too. Ugh. Hope none of this is poisonous. I love it here. I'm starting to get sweaty. And that's not cool either. Only have 3 more minutes of footage. I need to go ahead and find something to just watch. Ugh. One time I saw an armadillo in here. Another tree fell. Oh! Wow, that's big. I almost walked right into it. Is that it that I'm recording, or am I recording the wrong thing? There it is. And it looks... well, I don't know if I have it on screen. Oh well. A big spider I almost walked into. That's all you need to know. I wish I could make it to the creek in time for some of this video, but I don't think I can. Anyway, there's probably a lot of snakes there. Ugh. Sorry, that was big and it flew by me. One more minute. I better start heading back. I guess this video was a total fail. Hopefully my informative speech will be better than this. I'm glad I put on bug spray. Usually I never do that. Thanks for watching, and remember, we love you, YouTube.